Hello all, welcome to NetGate Computer Science videos. In this video, we are going to tell you what to read in the subject Theory of Computation. Theory of computation is a subject which most of the students feel it is very tough, but in actual it is not that tough. You have to be focused, you have to be very precise in your reading, you have to take interest in this subject. This subject is not at all tough. It is a very scoring subject. If 10 marks came from this subject, you can be sure to get all the marks. Okay, so I will tell you the topics which you have to read in this subject. The first topic is finite automata. The various terms, the various definitions related to finite automata and how we can design the finite automata for various languages, all these things comes in this module. Then second one, you will have to learn regular expressions and regular language. Various types of regular languages are there for which regular expressions can be formulated. There are various properties of regular expressions. You have to identify whether the language is regular or not. These are seems to be very complicated, but these things are very simple. Once you are familiar with all the terms, you can find all the things in very less time. Okay, so after the regular expressions and regular languages, you will have to read context free grammar. The regular language, the languages which are not accepted by regular or finite automata, that can be accepted by context free grammar or PDA. Okay, so you have to read context free grammar, all the properties, whether a language is context free grammar or not, whether to make a PDA acceptance diagram, all the things you will have in this context free grammar. Then you will read context sensitive language, the concept of Turing machine. Then you will read the concept of decidability, whether a language is decidable or not. You will have to familiar with various terms in talk like Chomsky hierarchy. Chomsky hierarchy is very important in talk. You have to be familiar with this. You have to know how to create a regular expression. Then you are familiar with how to make a DFA of a given string, or if a DFA is given, how to identify the string. Then you have to know how to find the minimal strings. If someone is watching this video for the first time who is not familiar with TOC, don't worry, I will make the video in very simple language how to make a DFA of each and every term. You will get to know, you will learn it in a very simple way and in a very effective way. Then some of the standard books which are used for talk is Introduction to Automata Theory, Ullmann, Introduction to the Theory of Computation, Michael Sipser. Other books are there like KLP Mishra. I will tell you when I will make videos, don't worry. We are also providing you study materials. For study materials, you can email us to technical.videos2016@gmail.com. Please subscribe our channel. I keep on uploading 3 to 4 videos per day, so you have to be very attentive and watch all the videos, because there is not much time left for the preparation. You have to gear up from now only. Okay, and please comment in the below comment box so that I know what you else want, what I can improve in my videos. Thank you so much.